This is something slightly different for me today. I've been sent this backpack by Waterfly. It's called the Kung Fu backpack, and they've asked me to review this for being an artist and what it's like using a backpack when you're plein air painting. This was quite good timing for me because I was going to go to the British Women's Amateur Golf event at Nairn in Murray, that is, and the golf course is right next to the water, which I've got a chance of seeing dolphins, orcas, or not that I probably will, but they are up and cruising up and down. So the bits and bobs, going to show the bits and pieces that I've put in this backpack. So first thing is my binoculars, because I'm going to be by the water. Just a bit of food there, and as you'll see, this bag is pretty cavernous. You can get so much stuff in there. I've got some suntan oil in there because it was a 25-degree day when I went. I've got a little bottle of water there, which is for spritzing my watercolour paints should I use them. I don't really know before I go what I'm going to use, but I wanted to take everything with me, so whether I'm just going to be drawing, sketching, or even doing a whole watercolour painting, I don't actually know yet. So in this bottom of this pocket here, you can get and this is a big thick A4 sketch pad. So yeah, nice big thick A4 sketch pad, which is probably about the size of a laptop virtually. And I've got some watercolour, there's a watercolour block there which is also an A4, and I've got both of those in the little wallet there. This is my little tiny watercolour set that I have with just like travel brushes and a small Winsor Newton little travel palette and a collapsible water pot. So this is just a little watercolour palette, just a small one. There's just a couple of other little bits and pieces in that little diagonal pocket here. And there's also a couple of sketchbooks of different sizes because I don't know which. As I say, I'll just keep my options open for when I go there. In this side pocket here, I've got my bigger palette, and in that side pocket there, you would easily get in an A4 block or a folder instead of the palette. That easily fits in as well. So you could fit, say, A4 in that side bit, and then also have a laptop in there if you wanted to have a laptop or an iPad. They would all fit in there easily. This is the outside. Another pocket here, I didn't actually put anything in that. Well, it's just an extra pocket. You could put maybe car keys or something like that in there. So this is from inside, you can put that in. As you can see, it fits in extremely easily. Both of those go in there, so a laptop would definitely go in there easily. There's a hot day here in Scotland, sun cream, which is not very common really. That's my spritzing bottle should I want to spray the watercolour paper. And there's tie down straps in there. Now if I had maybe a jumper or something like that, I would put that inside there and then put the straps over the top, but I didn't take a jumper, so I didn't actually need that. So I probably used maybe 2/3 of the bag capabilities, I think. I'm just thinking here about which way to pack it, because what do I want when I'm there? What's going to be the most important thing for me to be at the top of the rucksack or the backpack, whatever you want to call it. As you can see, it's extremely well made. It's got nice thick harnesses and the stitching looks nice. It just looks a really good quality bag. Much better quality bag than I've ever had before. Right, so binoculars, if I'm there and I see a bit of splashing going on with the dolphins, I want to be able to get to that quickly, so that really wants to be at the top. So that, obviously my watercolour paints and stuff, they can go down the bottom because I'm taking a chair with me anyway, so I'm going to be able to take my time with getting that out, so I don't need it at the top. Food needs to be at the top, and you can just fold that flap over and then you've got an adjustable strap there, so you get lots more in what I've actually got in there. And this is my rain jacket, and I'm going to put that on this, I don't know what you call this bit, it's just like an outside bit with stretchy string stuff, so I'm going to put that there and then loop that over and then tighten that down, and that will hold it easily, plus it's very accessible. Should it start raining, I can just quickly put that on. So everything's adjustable in here with the straps. There's just so much adjustment, it will take me a while to get used to it. In this little pocket here I'm going to put my car keys. That's quite a small pocket, that you won't get much more in it than your car keys. So this pocket is a designated pocket for a mobile phone. This is a Samsung, not sure model, is A05S I think. But anyway, fits in there very snug. There's me having a little wander, just looking from the golf course, going to have a look over the water to see where I want to do a bit of painting. And here I am sitting on my chair and looking across, and I'm just doing a sketch there, which I will be doing a painting of over the next week or so. But it was a lovely, beautiful day, and it was made a lovely day because I could take everything with me that I wanted to take. So lovely bag, very good quality, and if you're interested in getting one of these, I've got a affiliate link in the description below. See you on another one soon. Cheers.